Okay, we're here in the Kwik Car Wash in Jefferson City, Missouri. And as you can see, the brushes are coming down. This is actually a retake of an old video I took a while back. Here's the brush. Watch that. Oh, hold up the moonroof. Watch that go over the top. Down the back. You can see we got another brush over there, buffing out the side. And look at this thing in front of us. Moving over there. Got another one there. Another brush over here. You see the car in front of us. Getting blasted with something here. Now we're in the tie-dye mobile. We're going to get rinsed off. It says clear coat there, you can't read it, and that says spot free over there. And here's a spot free rinse, speaking of it. You can see it up there. Now here we've got some big dryers. Watch this water just blow right off. It says to go, which is kind of weird. And it's time to go. So that's it.